In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dubizzle account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account set up and verified, ready to go. All you need is a working email address that you can access right now. Start by opening Dubizzle. You can use the website in your browser or the mobile app if you prefer. Once the homepage loads, look for the login or sign up option. It's usually at the top of the page or clearly visible on the app's welcome screen. Click that, and on the next screen, choose Create One. This tells Dubizzle you're a new user and want to register. Next, you'll enter your email address, a password, and a few basic details. Make sure you type your email correctly because you'll need it to verify your account. For your password, choose something strong. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using the same password you use elsewhere. The basic details usually include things like your name and location, which help tailor your experience on the platform. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you're ready, click Sign Up. Dubizzle will process your information and immediately send a verification message to the email address you provided. This verification step protects your account and confirms you own that email. Now open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Look for the message from Dubizzle. It should arrive within a minute or two. If you don't see it, give it a moment, then check your spam or promotions folders just in case it was filtered there. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This link confirms your registration and brings you back to Dubizzle. After you click it, you should see a confirmation message letting you know your account was created successfully. At this point, you're all set and can start using your account. If you prefer a faster sign-up, Dubizzle also offers alternatives. On the registration screen, you can choose to sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. This links your Dubizzle account to one of those services, which can streamline the process and reduce the number of passwords you manage. Just make sure you're comfortable with the connected account and that you have access to it. And that's it. You opened Dubizzle, chose to create an account, entered your details, signed up, verified your email, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Dubizzle account.